Hi, this is Ajay Anand and welcome to Science Classes from excelup.com. In this lesson, you will learn about key features of phylum Arthropoda, and this lesson has been taken from class 11th biology. Arthropoda is the largest phylum in the animal kingdom because more than 2/3 of the animal species they belong to Arthropoda. The key feature of Arthropoda is that there are jointed appendages, that is, appendage means organs for walking, and exoskeleton is present, that is made of chitin. Okay, so these are the legs or appendages, and these are composed of chitin. The body of the animal is divided into three segments: head, thorax, and abdomen. So this is head, thorax, and abdomen. Respiration is through gills, book lungs, and trachea. In different animals, there are different types of organs. Gills, they are as in case of fish, and I'll talk about book gills, book lungs, and trachea later on. The circulatory system is open, which means there is no blood capillaries or arteries or veins to supply blood to the organs. So the organs, they are directly bathed in blood from the organ which pumps the blood. Okay. The sensory organs are antennae or antenna is singular, eyes. Some animals have compound eyes and some have simple eyes, and there are statocysts or balancing organs. They work like a gyroscope for these animals. Malpighian tubules, they are responsible for excretion, and most of these animals, they are dioecious. So male is different and female animal is different. Fertilization is usually internal, and development can be direct or indirect. So in some animals, there will be directly an adult form from the eggs, and in some animals there will be an intermediate larval stage. For example, in silk moth or silkworm, there are eggs followed by larva. It is followed by a pupa. Then the pupa gives out the adult moth. As far as examples are concerned, there can be hundreds of examples because this is such a large phylum. So housefly, butterfly, prawn, then moth, spiders, grasshoppers, praying mantis. So you can make a very long list of examples. Let us now try to understand the basic structure of book lung, book gill, and tracheal system as in insects. So book lung is composed of alternating layers of cavity which is filled with hemolymph, that is the blood, air packet followed by hemolymph, air packet, hemolymph, air packet. Okay. Now the arrangement, it looks like the pages of a book, and that is why this organ is called a book lung. Apart from that, there is no similarity with the lungs as we see in more advanced animals like human beings or reptiles or avians. Okay, so the examples of book lungs are seen in a spider and a scorpion. Book gill is similar in structure, so there will be rows of pages of a book. So it looks similar to book gill, but the difference is that book lungs, they are internal organs, while book gills are external organs. Book gill is found in horseshoe crab. So if you will look at a photograph of horseshoe crab, you can easily spot the series of plates between the legs. Okay, they are book gills. So this is all about book lung and book gill. Let us try to understand the structure of tracheal system. In some arthropods, there is a network of hollow tubes, and these tubes, they are called trachea or tracheae. Okay, and all the trachea, each trachea opens outside the body through a small pore, and these pores, they are called spiracles. So air comes in through these pores and air goes out through these pores, and that is how exchange of gases takes place in these animals. Okay, so this is book lung, this is book gill, and this is tracheal system. That's all for this lesson. Thank you.